Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the podcast.
Hello, I am Mark. I am happy to be here.
And I am Anna, your teacher. Today, we will learn something very important.
What will we learn today?
Today, we will learn how to talk about yourself in English.
Oh, that is important.
Yes, very important. When you meet new people, you talk about yourself.
Yes, people ask questions.
Yes, they ask, "What is your name? Where are you from? What do you do?"
Sometimes I feel shy.
That is okay. Many people feel shy. Today, we will practice slowly, step by step.
Good, I am ready.
Wonderful. Let us begin. Saying your name. First, we say our name.
That is easy.
Yes, very simple. You can say, "My name is Mark."
My name is Mark.
Very good. Say it again, slowly.
My name is Mark.
Excellent. You can also say, "I am Mark."
I am Mark.
Very good. Both are correct. Everyone listening, repeat after us. My name is blank.
My name is blank.
I am blank.
I am blank.
Very good. Now we talk about where you are from.
Yes, people always ask, where are you from?
Correct. You can answer, "I am from Ethiopia," or "I am from Brazil," or "I am from India."
I am from Ethiopia.
Very good. Repeat. I am from blank.
I am from blank.
You can also say, "I live in Addis Ababa," or "I live in London."
I live in Addis Ababa.
Good. So we have two sentences. I am from blank. I live in blank.
I am from Ethiopia. I live in Addis Ababa.
Excellent. Now let us talk about age.
Sometimes I forget how to say my age.
That is okay. It is easy. You say, "I am 25 years old."
I am 25 years old.
Good. Or you can say, "I am 25."
I am 25.
Very good. Do not say, "I have 25 years." That is wrong in English.
Ah, good to know.
Yes, we say, "I am 25." Everyone repeat, "I am blank years old."
I am blank years old.
Now let us talk about work.
Work is important.
Yes, people ask, "What do you do?"
I always think too much about this question.
Keep it simple.
Okay,
You can say, "I am a student,"
I am a student.
or "I am a teacher,"
I am a teacher.
or "I am an engineer."
I am an engineer.
Very good. Repeat, "I am a blank."
I am a blank.
If you do not work, you can say, "I am not working now."
I am not working now.
Very good. Now we talk about likes.
I like this topic.
Good. To talk about what you like, say, "I like coffee."
I like coffee.
"I like music."
I like music.
"I like reading."
I like reading.
Very good. Everyone repeat. I like.
I like.
You can also say, "I love football."
I love football.
Love is stronger than like.
Love is stronger than like.
Yes. Now let us talk about family.
Yes, people ask about family.
You can say, "I have 2 brothers,"
I have 2 brothers.
or "I have 1 sister."
I have 1 sister.
You can say, "I am married,"
I am married.
or "I am single."
I am single.
Very good. Repeat. I have,
I have.
I am married,
I am married.
I am single.
I am single.
Very good. Now we practice everything together. Mark, what is your name?
My name is Mark.
Where are you from?
I am from Ethiopia.
Where do you live?
I live in Addis Ababa.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
What do you do?
I am a student.
What do you like?
I like music.
Excellent. Now, listeners, answer at home. What is your name? Where are you from? How old are you? What do you do? What do you like? Very good. Mark, do you see something important?
Yes, we repeat many sentences.
Yes, repetition helps learning.
Repetition helps memory.
Exactly. So let us repeat again. My name is,
My name is,
I am from,
I am from,
I am years old.
I am years old.
I am a,
I am a,
I like.
I like.
Very good. Now we put everything together. A short introduction?
Yes, a short introduction.
Listen to me. Hello, my name is Anna. I am from Canada. I live in Toronto. I am 30 years old. I am a teacher. I like reading and coffee.
That sounds very clear.
Yes, short, simple, clear. Now you try, Mark.
Hello, my name is Mark. I am from Ethiopia. I live in Addis Ababa. I am 25 years old. I am a student. I like music.
Excellent. That is perfect for beginners. Let us review. How do we say our name?
My name is, or I am.
How do we say where we are from?
I am from.
How do we say our age?
I am 25 years old.
How do we say our job?
I am a student. I am a teacher.
How do we talk about likes?
I like music.
Excellent.